something different with some photos that I take, and I'm always looking at different papers and trying to, what paper is going to make this image or this photo look better. So then I started thinking, why don't I just make my own paper from recycled scrappings and mail and all that good stuff. So in the clips you've seen was from a few weeks of trial and error trying to figure out how thick, how thin I need my paper to be able to use my printer without screwing it up. So, the drying process takes a couple days because you want to make sure it's completely dry, flattened out before you want to run it through your printer. But I wanted to do something different. I wanted to be more hands-on with my photos. And the image I use is from the Landscape Photography Isn't Easy video I uploaded. It's actually the trees that I showed you guys. If you're having a bad day, just shoot up at the trees and you can get something like this. This is what I decided to print. And I really enjoyed the process because every print is hands-on. Like, I handmade every print. And these now are available on my website. I only made 10 of these. So they're embossed, numbered, 1 out of 10, signature on the side here. I also hand cut everything. I couldn't use an X-Acto knife because the paper was pretty fragile, so it would just tear. So I just kind of eyeballed it and just scissor cutted everything. So these are about an 8x10. Give a little more, a little less. Like I said, that's what's unique about these is every photo is different. Every one, even though they're 1 out of 10, everyone's unique in its own way. They're all different, which is, for example, 5 of 10 has this little speck of black here, while the other ones do not, Everyone has their own uniqueness to them. I have a proof version. This is the very first one I actually printed, and I framed it, and I put proof right there. So I guess technically there's 11 of them, but they look really good framed in a black. They are now available. I only have 10. If you decide to order one, thank you. If you don't, please share the video or use the process I did. Learn how to make your own paper, print out your own images. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please support your local artists. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.